In example 2, we're going to take a linear quadratic system and solve it by substitution. Process is going to be pretty similar. Obviously, the only difference is you get a quadratic function in there or equation in there, but the general process of substitution is not much different. So let's take a look. First thing they did, since one of the equations was already solved for y, the quadratic one, they substituted in for y in the linear, got everything to one side because now you're solving a quadratic, and then they factored. And then they took both factors, and then found the y's that go along with them. And because there's 2 points, that means there's 2 solutions. And as we talked about in the previous example, that is a possibility. All right. So those are the 2 solutions that you could end up with there, or that you do end up with this one. Let's take a look at the 2 examples we have over here to try on your own. So pause it, I'll work them out, and then we'll come back and compare. Okay, so first one, substituted in the same. Only thing kind of to note, a little different potentially than the previous example is here where we divide it by -2, which you can do as long as everything is divisible by the same number. When I factored it, it actually is a perfect square, so I'm only getting one x value, so there's only going to be one solution. Found the corresponding y, so the ordered pair is 2, -12. For the second part, part B, same thing, substituted in. When I simplified and factored, ended up with 2 values of x, so there's going to be 2 solutions. Found the corresponding y's, and I got -2, -10, and then 1, 6. Okay, let's take a look at example 3.